name is Thomas LEDFORD, aka Taxman 88, and I'm here to share this video, a conversation about people who looking to start their own business, people looking to start an online business, people looking to start a business in general, no matter what niche it is, what category it is, no matter what it is. If it's a business, it's going to take some time, effort, investments, dedication, discipline, and a commitment on your part to make it happen for yourself. So when it comes to my mentorship and coaching program, I help individuals start their own tax preparation business. I help people who look to start their own tax preparation get started, regardless if they have prior knowledge and skills or none whatsoever. So no matter where you're at in your journey, I can help you make that happen, and that's a process. And so when it comes to my 18-month membership program, I have a couple of specials going on that ends on the 7th that I extended to the 7th because they originally ended on the 4th of November, but I extended them to the 7th of this month, where I have a partnership program which takes you all the way up through October of 2021. Then I have my 18-month mentorship and coaching program, which is an 18-month membership. One is $799, and one is a special price of $1,299, or 4 monthly payments of $325, which ends November the 7th. And so the benefits of one versus the other, the immediate benefit for the partnership program is it allows you to come in at a much cheaper rate, and it allows you to learn enough information to actually start and operate your own business. But it's a temporary relationship to do business. The 18-month membership coaching program allows you to come in, build a foundation for success by working with me for 18 months, especially being new to this industry, especially being new to being in business. You want to be able to build a successful, profitable, sustainable foundation for yourself. And so 18 months is a good point to be able to have with someone where you can build a foundation for success, because you have 18 months to make that happen. And after 18 months of membership access, then you evaluate where you're at inside your business, you evaluate where you're at as a person, and you evaluate if you want to continue this relationship or not. And so after 18 months, you either going to continue the relationship with me or you're going to go off and do your own thing. The choice is yours after 18 months. But the point is, you want to maximize and utilize those 18-month membership program. So that's the significant difference between the partnership program versus the mentorship and coaching 18-month membership program is that, the partnership program gives you a short time frame to do business with me, and you get started at a cheaper entry rate, and you don't have to use your infrastructure to make it happen. You use mine. But on the mentorship and coaching level, it costs more, but you get 18 months access with me. And if it came down to you need to use my infrastructure because we couldn't get your business credentials set up in time, you would have access to that. So that's why you would want to use the mentorship and coaching program, 18-month access, to make it happen for yourself. You want to get all in. You want to make this a new way of life for yourself, and you want to say, hey, no matter what, I will be successful. And then have somebody who experienced and knowledge and seasoned at this, who can help guide you through the process of being successful for yourself, is really important. And so to have someone on your team who's going to give you the support you need throughout the whole year, especially during money season, which is January through April for the majority of us, is what you really need. The support of what I offer to you in the first place is really about. All the other time before and after that is just some time that hopefully you can maximize that time and learn all you can learn, be good at what you're going to get good at, and master enough of this information and knowledge to the point where after 18 months you can look up proudly and confident and say, hey, I want to stay working with you because I see the value and benefits of doing that, or I want to try to do my own thing for the next 18 months. And no matter what you decide to do, that's fine with me. But the point is, when it comes to being in business, when it comes to having your own business, and looking to start a business, you have to ask yourself, number one, what will that be? You know what I'm saying? If you don't have a clue on what that's going to be, then you got to figure out what that's going to be. And so for a lot of us have ideas on what we think we might want to do, and that's a starting point. And then some of us have no clue on what we want to do, and that's a problem. Because I can't help you with a business model for yourself if you don't have no clue on what you want to do. Yeah, I guess I can brainstorm with you for an hour and give you some suggestions on some possibilities and let you choose one and see if that's something that might be a good fit for you. But for the most part, a lot of the people that I work with already have a desire and a passion to start their own tax creation business, and so that's the needed fuel to get them started and to get them going. You know what I'm saying? Because see, when it comes to being in business, you want to do something you enjoy doing. And so I got the best of both worlds because I get to make great money doing what I love doing. And so I never had that before because all my life I worked jobs that I hated. I worked jobs I didn't like. I worked jobs that just was unappealing to me, unfulfilling to me, and to finally find something that I can do that I love doing and allows me to make a great income to take care of me and a family. It's the best of both worlds, and so I wouldn't trade this for nothing in the world. So I'm grateful for my journey. I'm grateful for having the opportunity to bring my mentorship and coaching online and put myself in front of people who are looking to start their own tax creation business. So take advantage of this special. It ends November the 7th. I got the partnership program, which is $799. You get to use my software, my infrastructure. All you need is a laptop or a computer, a nice, decent printer, and some basic office supplies, and you're good to go with the partnership program. The mentorship and coaching program, basically the same, is a high investment point, but you get 18-month access to me, and if you needed to, you can use my infrastructure if we couldn't get your credentials over time. And so you have the best of both worlds if you decide to get all in with the mentorship and coaching program, which is on special right now. The regular price is normally $1,997, but it's at a special price of $1,299 or 4 monthly payments of $325, which ends November the 7th. So if you know you're ready to take action, if you know that this opportunity to allow you to invest in me and with me for yourself to get you started with your own tax creation business is something that you've been putting off, something that's holding you back, you've been procrastinating, just have some faith in yourself and take action. Reach out to me with contact information inside my video. Let's see if we can talk and connect. Let's see if we'll be a good fit for one another. My partnership program is a partnership where you must be approved for that. And so the process we go through is we set up a Zoom call where we see each other face to face. I evaluate you, you evaluate me. I ask you a series of questions. You ask me whatever questions or concerns you may have, and I educate you in the process of all that. And then after we get off the phone, within 24 to 48 hours, I make a decision if you would be someone that would be a good fit to work with, and you get to do the same on your end. And we get back in contact with one another if we're going to do business. And if you're not going to do business, you can simply just email me or text me and say you're not ready, and that's fine. And so that's how that process goes with the partnership program. But when it comes to the mentorship and coaching program, that's the one that's about you looking to start your own tax creation business. It's about you being ready. So if you don't have no prior knowledge or skills or experience, then I send you over some information that you check out that you can make a decision on. And after you do that, and you feel you can wrap your mind around the information, you still want to make this business model work for yourself, then we start and we get ready. And I send you an invoice and we get busy. So that's how that process works with the mentorship and coaching program. So it's slightly different than people who have some experience and knowledge already. I don't have to do a lot of educational pre-work up front with them. So when it comes to you want to have your own tax creation business, I can help you make it happen. The sky's the limit as far as income. And I can show you and walk you through and give you a picture of what it's going to take to make multiple six-figure income. And it's not hard, especially if you decide you enjoy paying individual income taxes, you enjoy being your own boss, you enjoy what it takes to be a business owner. You know, if you enjoy all that, that's going to make this journey for you that much more enjoyable. But if it's strictly about the money and you're going to make it feel like a task, then it's not going to work for you. It's just not. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to the bell for notifications. So every time I upload a video go live, you'll be notified. Also inside my video, you can click on the link and join my email list where you can receive 20% off all my products and services that I offer. So if you are in alignment with what I'm doing inside my business when it comes to helping individuals who want to start their own tax preparation business get started, or you want to people who look to start a business in general, but you need some mentorship and coaching and consulting to help you figure out what that's going to be and what it's going to look like, you can reach out to me as well, and I can sit down and help you put together a plan of action to help you get that started as well. So as a footnote and as a side note, I specialize in helping individuals who want to start their own tax preparation business, but I can still help people who want to start their own business in general make it happen for themselves by sitting down and going through my coaching one-on-one program that's designed to help you manifest the business within inside of you already. So when it comes to that piece is for people who are already knowledgeable, skillful, or passionate about something, who want to be able to start a business based on what they have in them already. And so when it comes to that, I'm going to give you a couple of examples. One example is a young lady. She helps people with resumes. She helps people get jobs. And she does it for free. She never saw it as a way of making money. But as a result of her helping a guy through that process to get the job, he had told her there's a lady across town doing the same thing you're doing with me for free, and she charged for that. So that's one of the examples I'm talking about. Taking something that you already know, you're already good at, that you're already probably helping people do, that you're not really even charging them for because you never saw it as a way of making money. Number two, a young lady who she knows how to sew. She used to work at a school teaching students how to sew. She do custom clothing. And I let her know, due to the pandemic, due to the brick and mortar establishments being shut down, you need to be able to position yourself online where you can get in front of people who look to learn how to sew through video trainings that you can use to help them with that. And so that's another example of what I'm talking about when it comes to utilizing the knowledge and skills that you already have within you and monetizing that and turning that to a business model that's going to help you get paid. So if you happen to have those type of skills within you that you think you can monetize and turn into a business model, then my mentor and coach who specializes in helping people do that, make it happen, I'm going to definitely turn you on to her and send you to her website because I'll have a link in my description as well where you can click on that link that's going to take you to her website so you can learn more about her and what she does, because she specializes in helping individuals who already have something within them for us knowledge and skills that they can monetize and turn to a business model to help them be successful is what she does. And so when it comes to being in business, when it comes to being successful, the difference between success and failure is successful people do what unsuccessful people don't do. It's real simple. It's not rocket science. You know what I'm saying? And so the only way you're going to be successful is you got to become willing to do what successful people do. And you might not know what those particular things may be at this point, but that's what separates poor people from rich people. Rich people will stay rich because they're going to keep doing what they're doing to get rich. Poor people are going to stay poor because they continue to do the things they do to get poor. So they stay poor. So, you know, that's the real different concept. And so when it comes to you being in business, when it comes to you looking to start a business, no matter what business model that is, if you need help, you need someone that's going to guide you through that process, you know, either me or my mentor and coach can help you with that. But like I say, I specialize in helping individuals start their own tax preparation business, and I'm a full service solution to making it happen because I walk you through setting up your business credentials. I walk you through helping you learn basic tax preparation skill and knowledge. I help you learn how to use software. I help you learn all the things you need to know to operate a business on the front end as well as the back end. That's why you want to do the 18-month membership coaching program, because you need time for that. It's a process to all that, to make that happen. And it's how to get it done in the short term with the partnership program, which ends October 15th of 2021. There's not enough time to give you everything you need to build a foundation for success with the partnership program. So I encourage people to get all in with the 18-month membership access, take advantage of the special that's going on that ends on November the 7th. Reach out to me with my contact information. That's called Let's Connect. That's if we're a good fit to work with one another. And I'll see you in my next video.